Hey guys, welcome back to well, not welcome back, but welcome to the closed beta for World of Warships. So right now I just have these three, Tier 2 American cruiser and the two ships that you start with. So yeah, this actually on March 12th, this went into closed beta. And new ships are really expensive compared to higher levels that are in World of Tanks. Because, a Tier 2 in World of Tanks is like 200 or 400 or 3 or even 300 experience. Yeah, there you go. But these things are like 1,000, 1,600, 1,400. Yeah, so the Tier 2 cruisers are 1,400 experience. Tier 2 destroyers are 1,600. And then we have 15,000 credits for the cruiser and 16,000 credits for the destroyer. Why does the destroyer cost more? Like, that makes no sense to me, and I just don't get it. But, yeah. So, first, for the Tier 1 American cruiser, you got the Erie, which has 3 anti-air guns. There, and there. I know it only says 3, but I think there are 4. Like, if you look here, you can see there's 4 of them, but it only says 3. And 4 cannons. No, I'm not going to go over this anymore. It's kind of getting boring. Anyway, so we have. So if we go into the tech tree, you have for the U.S. You've got the cruiser line, the destroyer line, and then the carrier line. No battleships as of yet. For Japan, you have your cruiser line, your destroyer line, and then your battleship line. So no carriers as of yet. So those are to come. I have no idea why Japan has battleships and the U.S. doesn't, and the U.S. has carriers, but Japan doesn't. It makes no sense to me, but whatever. Oh crap. So anyway, let's start a battle. I'm doing a co-op battle because there are never enough people for a random battle. So I'll pause the video until I get into the game. Alright, back. We're getting into a game right now. So these are bots. That guy's probably a bot as well. I'm not sure though. They after a while they take everyone into a game and then add bots if there aren't enough to fill out the entire game on your team. So if you look down in the left hand corner, you can see the speeds that I can go. So there's full, so I'm going right now. You can also do autopilot, which is in early stages right now. Not sure it'll stay there, but it's interesting. I've never seen anything like it. I mean, they don't even have autopilot in World of Warplanes, I don't think. I don't really play it at all. I'm a War Thunder fan when it comes to planes. I'm curious to see how War Thunder will do ships. Because, this is an interesting way for ships. And I kinda like it. It's kind of fun. Now, I need to figure out a way to orient my guns, because if I'm going to come down here, I'm going to want it kind of like this. Or I want to orient my guns so that both guns can fire when I turn. So the thing is, am I going to turn up, or am I going to stay, or am I going to turn right, or am I going to turn left? So if I'm going to turn left, then I'm gonna want my guns over here. If I'm gonna turn right, then I'm gonna want my guns over here. But it looks like I'm gonna keep my guns on this side because there's someone right there. Nice. Now there you have two choices of ammunition. You have high explosive and armor piercing. You only ever want to use armor piercing against battleships because they're the only ones that actually have any armor at all. Ah, dang, I'm missing this guy. Ah, fire. Boom. Whoa. Boom. So basically the job of the cruiser is to be able to take out the destroyers where the battleships can't. Like, do what the battleships can't, because the cruisers have a lot more anti-air than the battleships. They're a bit faster, more maneuverable, and not as much firepower as the battleships, but they still have a good amount of firepower. So their job is to protect the the battleships from torpedoes, like from airplanes and destroyers. Destroyers are basically your light tanks, and water tanks, except they can actually hurt things instead of just scouting for the SPGs, or aircraft carriers in this case. Because destroyers, they have torpedoes that they fire, which do a ton of damage if they hit. They have no, like, how do I explain this? They have no, like, they have no area of effect. It's kind of like a sniper. If you hit, you do a ton of damage. If you don't hit, then it does nothing. It's just a waste. Ah, yes. Missed. Oh, come on. Hit the guy. There you go. So this Japanese version of the cruisers is not as fast as the American cruiser that you start with, but has a ton more health. Also, the guns on the cruiser are not on the American cruiser are not twin linked like these are. So it kind of makes it easier to turn your turrets because they're a bit smaller, so they turn faster. Anyway, let's get set up to make a pass on these guys. So far we've gotten an assist on one guy. So far we've gotten 20 penetrations, 1 critical hit, 1 fire, and then 1 destroyed. So not bad, not bad. If we win this, I might actually get some extra cash. It's cool. Oh, there's a battleship over there. That's gonna be hard. Hopefully we can all make it over there before our ally down there gets killed. Here. I'll stick up. That means I'll still go by them. So yeah, hopefully we can make it up here to assist this guy before he gets killed. Yeah. See if this guy's gonna come around here. And our battleship is coming up to assist him. Right now they're firing at him. I'm not in range yet. Actually I am. Nice. Oh, armor piercing. I like this. Oh, snap. That's a lot of bullets that just hit. Oh, now he's shooting at me. You suck. Yeah, cruisers aren't really meant to go up against battleships. Ah, he's going in for the battleship. Ah, missed him. Ah, come on, come on, come on, turn. Turn, you idiot, turn. Ah, dang it. He's dead. Alright, let's turn and go kill this guy. Alright. Slow down. I don't want to run it. I don't want to ram this dude. If you guys haven't seen it, there's a video actually up on the World of Warships website about that. It's basically you see a aircraft carrier ram and completely obliterate a destroyer. Now, I'm not entirely sure if that's possible, but you know, if that video has any realism from the game in it, then I'm guessing it is. We're gonna hit him. Dang it. We are honorable. Huh. Never thought of it that way. I'm not hitting him. Don't blame me for yawning. Ah, there we go. He's coming out. He's coming out of his shell. Yeah, that's a problem with twin leaks. Sometimes they go off in different directions like that. And it's over, I think. Victory! Oh, they captured the base. Assist on capturing the base. I didn't even realize we were capturing it. Wow. Huh. Let's look at that. Back to port. Hey! Nice. I got missions now. Whoo. I like that. Not enough for the tier 2 cruiser, but we're getting there. We're getting there. 3,300 more and I'll get it. So, 1 or 2 more games. So, Guardian. Get guys. Huh, interesting. Okay. Alright. Well, guys, that's it for now. See you next time.